In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to mirror an object in Adobe Illustrator quickly and correctly. Whether you're designing logos, creating symmetrical artwork, or just flipping an element for better composition, knowing how to reflect objects properly is an essential Illustrator skill. The good news is that it only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll also share a couple of small tips that can save you time when working with mirrored designs. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and load the document that contains the object you want to mirror. This can be a shape, text, an icon, a logo element, or even a grouped illustration. Before applying any transformation, you need to select the object. So go ahead and click on the Selection tool in the toolbar on the left, which is the black arrow at the top. Then click directly on your object to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box appear around it. Once your object is selected, go up to the top menu and click on Object. From the drop-down menu, hover over Transform. A secondary menu will appear. From there, click on Reflect. This opens the Reflect dialog box, which gives you control over how your object will be mirrored. Inside the Reflect window, you'll see two main axis options, vertical and horizontal. Choosing vertical will flip the object left to right, creating a mirror image across a vertical axis. This is perfect for creating symmetrical designs, like faces, badges, or balanced layouts. Choosing horizontal will flip the object upside down, mirroring it across a horizontal axis. This is useful if you need to invert elements or create reflections beneath objects. Click on vertical or horizontal depending on the effect you want. If you want to preview the result before applying it, make sure the Preview checkbox is enabled. This allows you to see exactly how the mirrored object will look before committing to the change. Once you're happy with the selection, click OK. And just like that, your object is mirrored. Now here's a quick bonus tip. If you want to create a mirrored copy instead of flipping the original object, open the Reflect window again by going to Object, Transform, and then Reflect. This time, this will create a duplicated mirrored version while keeping your original object in place. This is extremely helpful for symmetrical logo design and pattern creation. Another quick shortcut you can use is pressing the O key on your keyboard to activate the Reflect tool directly. Then hold down Alt on Windows or Option on Mac and click on the point where you want the axis of reflection to be. This gives you even more control over precise reflections. And that's it. That's how you mirror an object in Adobe Illustrator using the Reflect feature. As you can see, it's a simple but powerful tool that can dramatically improve your workflow when creating balanced and professional designs. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Adobe Illustrator tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.